What is a shearing machine? Shearing machines are industrial equipment that cut metal sheets in a straight line using opposing blades. As the primary operation, shearing prepares sheet metal for bending, welding, and stamping. The shearing machine operates by applying force between its upper and lower blades. As the upper blade descends, it concentrates stress on the sheet metal, a process that occurs in 3 stages: elastic deformation, plastic deformation, and crack propagation. What are the factors that affect the quality of shearing? First, blade clearance is critical. Too large causes burrs. Too small accelerates wear. For 6 mm mild steel, 5/7 of thickness is optimal. Then, optimize the shear angle to decrease cutting force. Energy use and workpiece deformation. Last, the pressure holding device stabilizes the plate during cutting, a function critical for hard materials, and one whose precise adjustment directly determines cut quality. In actual production, users typically encounter several common models of shearing machines. Different types have distinct advantages and disadvantages in terms of power source, cutting precision, and application scenarios. Mechanical shearing machine featuring high speed, simple structure, and low cost. However, it has strong impact force and high energy consumption. It is suitable for batch cutting of low-carbon steel. Hydraulic shearing machine, high stability, good precision, low noise, suitable for multi-material and medium-thick plate processing. CNC shearing machine, highly automated, with excellent precision and easy operation, suitable for modern factories and efficient production lines. Servo-driven shearing machine, high precision, energy saving, suitable for intelligent production, high-end manufacturing, and CNC automated production lines.